Hey everyone, I wanted to open up and go through one of Young Living's oil bundles. This is how a lot of us in Young Living get started. This is how I got started in Young Living. So it has this gorgeous sleeve and it just, well, easily pops off if I'm not filming it right. So it pops off and then you have the box and this cute little tab and it opens like this and there's some paperwork and all that in the top, which really you don't need because you do it all online. It's just there. But it has these 10 oils and this gorgeous little display that you can bend around like this, and there's a piece of Velcro that holds it. So really, really pretty that you can display in your house. So we'll go through these 10 and then I'll show you some of the other goodies that come in the bottom of the box. So these white oils are our Vitality line. So these are labeled for internal use, so you can put them like in a drink, or you can bake with them, or however you want to use those like internally and digest. And then our colored labels are for topical and aromatic use, so putting in a diffuser or just rubbing straight on your skin, which you can also use these topically, like it won't hurt you. But these are just specifically labeled by the FDA as approved for internal digestion. So let's go through the 10 oils that are here and how you can use them real quick. So this is Peppermint Vitality. Fantastic for like baking brownies. People love that in your coffee. As far as like kind of practical uses for your health or whatever, I like to rub this on my forehead or wherever I might have some kind of tension or discomfort. Really helps me with that. This can be what we call a hot oil, so you can dilute it with a carrier oil, which a carrier oil would be any kind of fatty oil like coconut oil, almond oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil. There's lots of different options that people like. So you can just do like 1 drop of this to 1 drop carrier oil and rub it on, or if you put it on and it feels hot, then you can rub that carrier oil directly over wherever you applied it. It's also fantastic for cooling you down. It can actually help to like get your body temperature where it's supposed to be. So if I have a fever, this is what I will apply to my feet and to my spine. Lemon Vitality, great in your water for helping to detox your body. It promotes natural drainage. So if you struggle with just feeling like you're clogged up or whatever, this can be really helpful for that. Citrus oils are what we call photosensitive, so you want to be careful about applying those to your skin and then going out in the sun. So if you're going to be out in the sun, I just suggest applying it to your feet or maybe your spine, somewhere where the sunlight's not going to hit. And yeah, there's lots of different things you can do with lemon. I like to blend lemon with peppermint and lavender, and I use that when the seasons change or if there's a lot of pollen in the air. It just keeps me breathing really well. I also will put a few drops of those in my diffuser during the day or at night just to keep me breathing easily. Thieves Vitality is definitely one of my favorite oils in this kit. So this is all about immune support. It also supports your respiratory system as well, but like it's popularly known for immune system. So you can put this in a vegetable capsule with some carrier oil and take it. You can rub it on the bottoms of your feet, kind of along the inside of your foot there. You can rub it on your spine. You can rub it on your belly button as well. So this is fantastic for anything to do with like staying above the wellness line all year round. Digest Vitality, honestly, probably one of the oils that took me the longest to take out and use because I didn't like the smell. And a lot of people don't, but here's the thing. Our oils are completely pure. We don't add anything to them to make them smell better, and they come straight from plants. And some plants just stink, right? So what I love about the fact that this stinks is I know it's pure. We didn't put anything in it to try to improve its smell or appeal. But this is all about like taming your stomach and keeping that digestive system as healthy as possible. So the other night I was doing dishes and I was feeling really nauseous. Like I really thought I was just going to throw up. So I asked my husband to pass me some of this. He got it off our oil shelf in our living room and brought it to me. And I applied it on my belly button, and within like probably about 5 minutes at the most, I was feeling much, much better. I also use some of the other oils I had to help with that, but this is fantastic. If you struggle with car sickness like I do, this can be really helpful. So can peppermint. But Digest is just all things tummy. And then Citrus Fresh Vitality, fantastic in your water. Again, similar benefits as lemon, since this is a blend of different citrus oils. And great for like killing nasty smells. I like to combine these two, the Digest and Citrus Fresh, and add them to my laundry. And then that helps to remove like stinky smells. So there's just so many things that you can use these for. Raven, excuse me. This is all things respiratory. So this promotes a healthy respiratory system, helps to open up your lungs, get you breathing easy. A lot of people like to apply it like during a workout to help them breathe well. There's lots of different ways that you can use it, but it really is just keying in on that respiratory system. I will diffuse it overnight, or if I hear like my baby sound stuffy, I'll put it in his diffuser overnight or during his nap time just to keep him breathing easy. Lavender is good for literally everything. Skin, hair, nails, sleep, emotions, sore muscles, like you name it, lavender helps. So it's a really gentle oil. I will just apply this straight to my body without a carrier oil. I'll add it to my shampoo to help with my dandruff. Lots of different options. A lot of people like to make little pillow sprays with it to spray on your pillow at night. We diffuse it at night. So all the things really. Panaway, this was one of my favorites when we first got our kit. So this smells kind of like root beer. That's like what it reminds me of, which is one of the reasons why I like it. So it is fun to diffuse sometimes, but usually what I do with it is apply it topically because it is a blend of different, some mint oils and other oils that are really good at helping to relieve tension and discomfort. So especially if I have like cracked my shin into something or smacked my elbow into a doorway or something, I will immediately put that on just to help promote speedy healing, and it helps to reduce any like weird coloring on my skin from whacking into things because I'm klutzy like that sometimes. So this is one of my favorites. Also, like if I have like pain in my ears or something like that, I will rub it along my mastoid bone behind my ear, and it's great. Some people do dilute it because it can be a little hot. I like it straight. One place I do have to dilute sometimes is around my ears because the skin there is more sensitive. So, you know, to each his own. If you feel like you need to, go ahead. And if not, that's cool too. That's what I love about oils. Like, you can totally personalize them to you. There are no, like, wrong ways to use an oil. Frankincense, we call this the daddy of all oils. So, like lavender, it's good for everything. I also add this to my shampoo for dandruff. It can help to kind of keep you from being, like, totally scattered as far as, like, trying to think about things. It can help with emotions. It can help with your overall wellness. It's great for promoting a healthy immune system. I like to pair it with thieves for those purposes. Just lots of different ways to use frankincense. And then Valor is my all-time favorite oil. So I guess I shouldn't have said some of these are my favorite in the kit. Valor did not come in my kit when I bought it. This is new. Like, they've updated the kit a couple times since I bought mine. So I forget that it comes in here. But I'm so jealous that you guys get it because it's my all-time favorite. Fantastic for all things emotions. It was formulated based on the different herbs and plants and things that the Roman soldiers used before they went into battle. And then Gary Young, who started our company Young Living, formulated this oil off of that legend. So it smells amazing. Like, I love the smell of it just in general, but it's great for your emotions, promoting courage and grounding and just getting you into a good state. And then it can also help with things like sleep, and some people use it for snoring. I love it for what it does for my alignment of my spine. I have scoliosis, and I'm at the chiropractor consistently to help me stay aligned. So I will apply this before I go to the chiropractor to help my body already kind of be headed into that state. And then when I get adjusted, I apply it again after to help kind of keep me where the chiropractor put me. And it also eases some of the tension and discomfort from being adjusted. So I love Valor. It is most definitely my favorite oil, hands down. My baby sat on my sciatic nerve for 2 days while I was pregnant a few years ago, and that was one of the only things that kept me sane. Like, I applied it probably about every half an hour, which is another great thing about the oils. You can't like overdose on an oil because it's not a medication, so you can apply it. I say, like, as a rule of thumb, up to every 30 minutes, but as often as you feel you need. Some of them your skin might not be able to tolerate that often, but there are other oils that you can switch up because, as I've kind of been trying to show you, they each have multiple uses. So you got options. So then there's still the box. We pulled out the top of the kit here, but there's also this little ribbon. And this guy comes out, and there are all sorts of goodies down here. So let's go through some of those. And I don't want to use this to block the microphone on my computer. There we go. All right, so let's finish up the oils in here. Stress Away is a little bonus oil that you get. The name tells you everything you need to know about it, and who doesn't need to get more stress out of their life, right? So this smells like vacation in a bottle. It's got some lime and vanilla in it, a few other oils. Smells delightful. Got rid of my very freaky, very real nightmares when I was pregnant. We would diffuse it overnight, and then I could actually sleep peacefully as far as nightmares went. Nothing makes a pregnant woman sleep totally peacefully and comfortably, but this at least got rid of the nightmares. And there's lots of different ways that you can use that. Definitely one of my favorites. And then Peace and Calming. This blend is great for helping sleep at night as well, getting your emotions in a good state. Lots of different ways, again, to use this. So we love both of those oils here at our house. Peace and Calming is actually an oil that I like to blend with some others I have that is like my current obsession in my diffuser. And then you also get 2 roller top fitments. So they look like this, and they pop right into your oils. You pull the little plastic orifice out, put this in there, then you pop this little cap on and just start screwing, and it will eventually pop this little thing into place and secure it in there so that that's there, and then you can just rub that oil straight on, which is great. So you get 2 of those. And then you also get a Thieves spray. So this is our Thieves oil that was in the kit, and then this is a spray that we make with it. So this is great for purifying surfaces as you're out and about. So like cart handles, public restrooms, anything you don't want to touch because it's probably like really gross. Excuse me. And then this is also infused with our Thieves oil and has peppermint, and this is our Thieves waterless hand sanitizer, and this kills 99.99% of germs. I love having this with me no matter where we go. It does not dry out my hands. It has no chemicals, so I don't have to worry about what it's doing to my hormones or my respiratory system or even my immune system, because standard hand sanitizers on the market are killing your immune system. Look into some of the things that are in them, like triclosan and other nasty, nasty things. So this is great natural option that helps keep us healthy by killing all those germs. And last but not least, you get 2 packets of our Ningxia Red Juice. This is the best liquid supplement that I have ever used. It's centered around the wolfberry, also known as the goji berry, which has a ton of physical benefits to it. It promotes the health of every system of your body. Heart, eyes, immune system, you name it, it helps it. So we take an ounce of that every day. These are little 2-ounce packets for on the go. They're fantastic. But my husband and I take an ounce of it every day to keep us like in maintenance mode for our health. And then if we are coming down with something, sometimes we'll kick it up to 2 ounces a day if we're feeling like our body is fighting something. But we love that. And I love that you guys get to try it in the kit, because some people can have some hesitations, just about the taste or the texture or whatever, or they just don't want to like get a whole bunch of it before they actually get a chance to try it. So I love those, and they're great for kids. Kids love them as well. So that's what comes in the oil box. And then you also get one of our Desert Mist diffusers. So these are gorgeous, and I'll put a graphic up at the end so you can actually see it. I won't unbox it right now. But it has 3 output settings for, you put water in it, add your oils to it. So it has 3 output settings. The high setting will run for approximately 4 hours. The low setting will run from 8 to 10 hours, and then you can also set it on intermittent, so it runs for like a minute, and then it rests for a minute, and it runs for a minute, which is great for overnight, and it'll go about 10 hours or so that way. So that's what we like to do. We'll set up the oils in our room like overnight for whatever either we feel we need or a smell that we like, or, you know, it can be anything you want. So it's great. And they're really pretty. They have multiple light settings. There's just like a white light, there's night light, a candlelight flicker, which I think is absolutely gorgeous and really nice for setting just like a romantic mood. You know, if you wanted to go like candlelight dinner kind of option, it's really pretty. And then it has, I believe, 10 different colors on it. So there's a setting where it will rotate through the colors, or you can just set it on each individual color. So I love this kit and everything that comes in it. It also comes with a lifetime membership with Young Living. So you get 24% off of the retail pricing, which is our member price. You have access to our free loyalty program, Essential Rewards, which means you automatically start earning 10% back on all of your orders. When you've been on the program for 3 months, you get 20% back, and when you hit your 25th month, you earn 25% back for life. So every month, that's a $50 minimum order, but you get to customize it. You get to choose when it comes to you each month. It's totally flexible, and you can cancel the program anytime for free without any penalties. You would just lose whatever rewards points you had already accrued. So we love that program. We use all of Young Living's products in our home, so we order every month, and we have racked up some awesome points, cashed in for amazing products. Almost all of Young Living's products you can get for free through that program with your points, so it's great. They do not, I guess, they're really generous with it, is what I'm trying to say. So we love Essential Rewards, and that's an option when you sign up. So what I suggest is get the kit, sign up for Essential Rewards, tell it that you want your first kit to be, or your kit to be your first Essential Rewards order. You'll automatically get free shipping because any order with Young Living $100 or more is free shipping. And then you'll also get that $10 back in free credits. So great way to start. All the perks. You also have me as your like oily best friend, and I'm here to help answer questions, teach you how to use these. I have materials that I send you that I have put together. So this one shows you like all the diffuser blends you can do with your kit. This one is examples of this one is roller blends that you can make with all your oils. And then this one is examples of what you could order like your first year on Essential Rewards. And then I also have little cheat cards for each oil, little what's in them and ways to use them, and a few other reference sheets as well that go in there. So if you guys are ready to start your oily journey, I am super excited for you, and I would love to help you along the way. And I'll put a graphic of the whole kit and my contact information on the thing, and my link to sign up will also be in the video. I hope you have a fantastic day and that you stay well and healthy.